An oscillator produces undamped oscillation. If the crystal frequency changes with temperature, we say that crystal has positive temperature coefficient. An LC's oscillator cannot be used to produce very low frequency. In NLC transistor oscillator, the active device is transistor. An oscillator implies positive feedback. In a phase shift oscillator, we use three RC sections. The applications where one would most likely find a crystal oscillator is radio transmitter. In a certain oscillator A is equal to 50, the attention of the feedback circuit must be 0 to. Crystal oscillator is a fixed frequency oscillator. An important limitation of a crystal oscillator is its low output. The Q of the crystal is of the order of more than 10,000. In a Wien bridge oscillator, if the resistance in the positive feedback circuit are decreased, the frequency increases. The second condition for oscillation is a gain of 1 around the feedback loop. An oscillator differs from an amplifier because it requires no input signal. The piezoelectric effect in a crystal is a voltage developed because of mechanical stress. In an LC circuit, when the capacitor is maximum, the inductor energy is minimum. A Wien bridge oscillator uses both positive and negative feedback. Quartz crystal is most commonly used in crystal oscillator because it has superior electrical properties. The signal generator generally used in the laboratories is Wien bridge oscillator. In an LC oscillator, if the value of R is increased 4 times, the frequency of oscillation is decreased 2 times. In Colpitts, oscillator feedback is obtained from the center of the split capacitor. For an oscillator to properly start, the gain around the feedback loop must initially be greater than 1. One condition for oscillation is a phase shift around the feedback loop of 0 degree. The crystal oscillator frequency is very stable due to high Q of the crystal. In a phase shift oscillator, the frequency determining elements are R and C. Hartley oscillator is commonly used in radio receivers. In an LC oscillator, the frequency of oscillator is inversely proportional to square root of L and RC. An oscillator converts power into AC power.